Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another adventure. So today we have a very interesting situation on our hands. We previously came into A.K.A hut, which is, we're on that track right now. So I've just had to drive all the way back 2 days after actually kind of filming the A.K.A hut video. And we've got with us 9 1.8 meter long concrete screen handles, I guess you'd call them. So we need to carry these in all the way to the hut somehow with these 9 of these poles, which are not going to be fun, but you know, it's always a funny story to tell once it's all over and said and done. But we unfortunately got our drone stuck in an extremely large pine tree by the hut. So the mission today is get these poles into the hut, attach them all, and hopefully it's going to be long enough to knock the drone down from where it is, because there was nowhere to climb it safely. It's such a far drop that it was just far too risky, and didn't really have any other way of getting it down. We spent about 3 hours throwing stones at the drone to try and get it down whilst we were in there 2 days ago. Yeah, let's hope this mission is successful. And shout out to Kennards Hire Rangiora. I rung them up, told them my situation, and they came up with this brilliant idea, so let's hope it works, and big thank you to them. Alright, let's hit this trail, get this done. Decent amount of weight on 9 of these poles. Feels very light at first, but once you start going up and downhill, definitely start feeling it. Unfortunately the creek has a ton of algae in it, so it's extremely slippery, so it's going to be interesting. If I can get through there without falling over carrying this, I'll be very surprised. So we'll see. Last time we came in on the creek, followed it up to the river, so I'm a little bit thrown off right now. I feel like I'm somehow way off of where I would have been last time. It's not too big of a deal because I should hit the river up here at some point, which means I can follow that to the hut. Oh, I see the river up ahead, we're good. Alright, let's get to the river. So now we've got to cross this. Shouldn't be too bad. Just don't want to fall over with all this kit. These stones are very slippery. It's definitely not easy crossing the river with the weight swinging on your neck. I couldn't really think of it. Better way to do this with what I had. Oh my gosh. Oh, that pinched my neck. It's alright. Last bit of water, and then we're smooth sailing pretty much at the hut at this point. Oh my gosh, the water keeps flicking the poles. Alright, we made it. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna readjust this before it cuts my neck off. There we go, a bit better. Feels good to be back in familiar territory. Know where we are now. Let's cross under this bridge here, and then we're left turn up, and we're at the hut. Oh my gosh, it's not fun. Made it to the hut. Not a bad effort, we did that pretty quick. Alright, so He's the culprit. There's ginormous pine tree. Alright, we'll go lug the gear over there. I really just want this damn drone back. First I've got to find it, which is not going to be easy. Let's get set up, spot the drone, and get to work. So I've got a problem. I don't see the drone, and I cannot see it on the ground anywhere. I might even go have a quick look in the hut, see if anyone's maybe come across it and left it in the hut. Have a look everywhere just in case. Nice big room here with 4 bunks. Hopes and dreams crushed. No drone in here. Okay. Let's give this a shot. Yes! Woo! Oh my god! Yes! Ah, we got it! Oh my gosh! No way, we actually got it! Oh, I'm so happy right now. I can't believe it. We actually walked in here with 9 of these damn poles. Apparently we only needed, I think, 5. We only needed 5 poles, and we bought 4 extras. We got it! Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. Huge shout out to Kennards Hire for letting us use these poles. It was their absolutely brilliant idea that made this possible, and I would not have got my drone back if it wasn't for them. So thank you so much for the idea and loaning me the equipment. I'm so happy right now. Oh, I got it. All right, it's time to pack up and get out of here. I am so happy. This is awesome. See you guys on the trail. I think I might head back the way I came in with Jack previously, because the way we came in was different just before on our entry in here. So might as well give you a bit of different scenery. Alright, hard part done. Now we just got to get through all this. I'll be honest, I was really dreading coming in here and having to do all this, but it's actually been really fun, and what a high, what a buzz successfully getting the drone back. Such a good feeling, and I'm just really grateful and happy right now. Alright, we made it uphill. Just walking along the train tracks now. Not too far to go. We made it. We're back at the car park. Alright, mission successful. Got the drone, we're out, nothing left behind. Hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and there'll be plenty more to come. And if you want to watch the full video of when we came in here for a hunt, that'll be up the relative Sunday from when this was uploaded, so go check it out. It's an awesome video, it was really good.